Okay, so the topic for today is networking with Nia. So that's with intent. For those of you who don't know me, I am Aisha Izhar. I have about 13 years of corporate work experience. Alhamdulillah, received a lot of opportunity to network with people, and I have a beautiful perspective about networking, which I would love to share with you all, and I would love to have your inputs. Please take me as a facilitator, more like a facilitator, less like a trainer, because I want to understand each one of you might be in different stages in life, in career, in situations. So I want to connect with each one of you to understand how can this methodology of networking help. Is that okay? Aligned with everyone? Okay, fantastic. Uh, Now, want to know, just before starting, what do you understand by networking? Very, 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 very relevant. And I'm talking personally, that from my experience, that how I maintain my personal relationship has a huge impact on how I maintain my professional relationships. Because how I maintain my personal uh, has in some way influence on how I deal with relationships. You know, personal people are closer, right? So if you're not taking care of what is close to you, how will you harmoniously build something that is bigger, right? Like, look at from perspective, like if Allah Pak wants to give you more responsibility of handling more relationships, wouldn't he also assess how you're dealing with what he's given you already, right? So I that's the reason why I ask you how you're maintaining, how much of you know. I mean, sometimes it is difficult. Families are difficult. That is another topic for some other day, right? But what I'm trying to make you realize is that your own family is also your network. You know, your own, that's where you were raised. A lot of family value systems, at least similar, was there when you started your life journey. Later, obviously, your development happened, evolution happened, you had a lot of ideas, so now you need more people to guide you, mentor you, take you forward, like Zilanam said, build meaningful relationships, right? But our personal relationships also have an impact. So maybe homework later, maybe all of you all can sit and make your family tree and see which boxes you don't know and how do they exist. One clarity it will give you कि actually मेरी family इतनी बड़ी है और इतना value है इस family में. You know, it just strengthens your own roots. ठीक है, हम बात नहीं करते उन चाची से या उन चाचा से या उन मामा जी से, हम बात नहीं करते, कोई बात नहीं, वो अलग है लेकिन आप जेनेटिकली कनेक्टेड हो. Okay, so maybe think about that. I'll take you through a presentation, but this presentation is only to give you a visual since we are not together and we are on a digital screen. But this presentation is to make you understand simple steps to connect more. Okay, just a second. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now, one second. What are you able to see? Are you able to see me or the screen?
Both.
We're
We
able
can
to
see
see
both.
both.
You can see the screen, no? Because I want to be on the Zoom screen while I'm speaking to you girls.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
great. So, first thing, what is networking? Like many of you explained, it is not about gathering contacts. Okay, can all of you all check your phone and tell me how many contacts do you have? If you all know how to see it, I can tell you on iPhones. iPhone में you can go to contacts and एकदम Z के नीचे जाके आपको contacts दिख सकता है.
1050.
Okay, nice. 717, great.
1949.
Nice. Okay, Humera, Ajmala, Shaivin, Realme, around 300. Okay,
I think around 2000 or more than that.
okay, great. Okay, we have got good examples. We've got 300s also, we've got greater than 2000s also. Okay, please don't ask me how many I have. You're I have more than 6,000, okay, in my phone. And this has happened only because of my I love people. Okay, I just happen to really enjoy interacting with people. I love listening to where they come from, what they do. I've had multiple jobs, so my career exposure also has happened a lot. But those relationships remained. You know, Now, question to you is, out of these 300, 2000, 2,000 people, how many do you wish birthdays? How many do you wish Eid? How many do you wish, anything that is celebratory?
5 to 10.
5 to 10. Adhan is literally saying 5 to 10. अगर हमसे 1,000 लोग भी हैं हमारे पास, let's take an average of this cohort, right? 5 5 to 10, 50 to 100. Okay, Minaz does 50 to 100 on Eid. So our average is less than 10%, right? So output comes from input, no? What is your input in relationships is the question. Somebody mentioned that we network for jobs, correct? That means you're expecting some help from someone in a job. Job ka matlab kya? You want the person to refer you somewhere, correct? But how many times before that referral call have you been in touch to know उस इंसान का जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है? You know, how is he or she doing? How is her life doing? Is there anything you can do for him or her? These questions are very pivotal because now, in a world which has become very transactional, we have somehow unconsciously forgotten that yes, we can build relationship. Yes, a hello, a salam, an appreciation could also help in just making some build strength in relationships. Okay, so I'm trying to touch down upon that. I think someone in the beginning also said, what is networking? Networking is less about gathering as many contacts as possible and more about nurturing genuinely mutually beneficial relationships. Okay, mutually beneficial, what can you make me understand of mutually beneficial? Anyone? Hajmala?
Where both the parties can leverage from that network in
Yes,
whatever way.
both the parties can, you can ask Minaz if you want to. Yes, both the parties should benefit each other, right? Fair enough. Yes, Minaz, you have a question?
Yeah, as you mentioned that we have a lot of network. Like even you mentioned you are a people's people, so you have 6,000 people in your
Yeah.
network, and
Yes,
you said that outcomes come from input.
correct.
On occasions we take out time to forward people or text personally,
Yes,
and
yes,
you love them, you have a lot of affection for them, but as you move forward in life you
yes,
forget, you get so much busy, new people
yes,
come around, you forget about
yes,
them. And
yes,
even though you do care, maybe they forget sometimes.
yes,
And as you
yes,
mentioned how much you call them or to just
yes,
know what they're doing, so at this
yes,
point in life I'm like कॉल करके क्या बात करूँ
correct,
अगर
correct.
नॉर्मली बात भी करी है like hi how are you and then it gets awkward. Okay, what next?
Correct. I
Yeah.
know. I totally understand what you are saying here. So, there are multiple facets of very interesting. Is it a common problem, everyone? Do you go through this कि बहुत
And
पहले किसी से
yes,
बहुत
Yes.
मोहब्बत
Yes.
करते थे
Yes.
और अभी हम उससे बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं करते तो बात करके क्या करेंगे, right? Fair enough, no problem. See, multiple facets to it and how to place it. Okay, first thing is आपको सबसे मोहब्बत नहीं करनी है. Okay, networking is not about loving. Networking is about connecting. Okay, just for example, Humaira and me, we got introduced to each other from this group, right, Humaira? I have immense respect for her, and she has come out with her vulnerabilities in a lot of sessions. She is herself is in the world of psychology and also understands the qualms of psychology, through personal experience. I have immense respect for her, and my bond is that only. We have spoken probably 10-15 times, maybe maximum, and उसमें हम लोग के बतेरे बार बात हुई कि we will meet. We have never met yet. Okay, and I still know that if I call Humaira at an odd time, she'll probably be there to help me out. Is that assumption correct, Humaira? Yeah. See, so this is about relationships. Okay, Minaz, a very good topic. See, you don't have to maintain a lot. That is the trick. Okay, you have to be consistent in maintaining. Now, that consistency can be once in 3 months. You don't have to even maintain a time period. See, you can't plan everything. I'm saying ki do as much as you can and let Alapak also do his part. Freddy and me, sorry, Nafisa and me, we have been raised at the same time period, same area we've lived in. I was there at her wedding also. Ask her how many times I actually get in touch with her. Tell me how many times? Probably Eid, if at all.
Yes, Eid.
Yeah, only Eid,
It
right?
and Facebook comments and
Yeah,
compliments.
correct.
Yeah.
These are natural things I'm telling you. She's someone we've been raised together. Sisters also here. Salsa Bill. Uh, we probably get in touch with Facebook likes. That is also another relationship. You always like what the person is doing, or you appreciate, and this is genuine appreciation. I'm not liking because I love her. I'm liking it because I like her post. There's some connect with her post that I'm getting. So these are also ways to maintain relationships. Minas, are you with me so far?
Yeah. I never thought that liking could be also a way. Like, I
It
really
is.
like that idea.
Yeah, it is just basic appreciation. You are scrolling and liking, I don't know, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan and all the Khans of the world who don't even have any relationship with you. Correct? So many posts you're liking on Instagram or LinkedIn or wherever, whichever social media you're using. But your own people you're not noticing. Or even if you're noticing, maybe you're not appreciating as much, right? Maybe that effort, that little effort, acha, everybody here, do you all like appreciation? Who doesn't? Raise hand. Okay, I'm assuming that everybody does. Everybody does? Yeah. Now, suppose you're posting something, okay? You've posted a rose. You really like that rose, okay? Randomly, Zile Anam's ka Shaibin likes it. She's just met her in Muslim Women Study Circle, but Shaibin is liking her roses, her lotuses, or whatever post Zile Anam is sharing. Will Zile Anam notice it? You will notice, right? What are you noticing? You're noticing consistency of appreciation. What you want, can you give to your network? Can you give 6,000 people? No, guys, I'm not in touch with 6,000 people. I have 6,000 contacts. But I am in touch with people with whom I connect with. Now, that is a separate topic, which I will touch upon a little later. Yeah. But the basic start is mutually beneficial, what I'm trying to focus on. Please do not look at your network something to extract from. That's not how we were meant to be. You have to look at how can I help that person. You have to see how can he guide me, he help me, but in a very uh, in a selfless way, not in a very selfish way. करेक्ट कि हम सिर्फ तभी फोन उठाएंगे जब उसकी जरूरत होगी हमें, लेकिन इसे खबर लेने के लिए कभी फोन नहीं उठाएंगे. तो यहाँ सेल्फिश कौन हुआ? If we are taking a step where we are getting in touch with someone to take care of our need, but we've never bothered to find out how their life is, then who is selfish here? Me or them?
We are
And then we, yeah, we are self, and then we are assuming that they're not helping us, और फिर we are assuming दुनिया तो ऐसी ही है, कभी कोई help के लिए आता ही नहीं है. Just give what you want to receive. Start with that. You will see more than you want, people will come forward to help you. Okay, so mutually beneficial, guys. I have highlighted few points. You will get this PPT also. Focus on building only these things in your life. Everything else becomes a byproduct. Okay, so moving on, I'll just go to some places. My screen is still visible, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
So let's start. How to genuinely grow your network. Okay, the term genuine is important. You don't need to have 5,000 people with whom you're connected ekdam, quantitatively. You need to have few connects qualitatively, but you need to be a person with whom everybody can, feel that you are approachable. I feel some of you all know, have interacted with me. Apart from this, Salsabel is there, Nafisa is there, Humaira is there, Ata is there. Do you feel I'm an approachable personality? What about me makes you feel that way?
What made me feel, because you are doing so much voluntary work, that's how we got connected.
And after that, if whenever you respond to text, yeah, see, this is not me, this is people telling me about me. So these are actions which can be done by anyone. Now imagine if Zillianam has messaged me on 5th of August. I am replying to her on 5th of September. What would you understand about that person? कि ये तो ऐसी ही है. Correct? Maybe she doesn't want to help, or maybe I will not get help from her. Maybe I need to try out someone else. But imagine Zilanam messages me, Assalamu alaikum Aisha, and within like a couple of hours, unless I'm really busy and I, acknowledge that later, 2-3 days may, and I say that, sorry, I wasn't being able to get in touch. How can I help or whatever? Good to hear from you. Then there is a relationship connect happening, human connect happening. Correct? So you have to also be available for people. Are you with me? Now, with life priorities, some of your mothers here, correct? Some of you have so many other ways to not connect with people, like so many responsibilities on you. How do you make time? That is also a topic. Is that right? How many of you face ki I have so much on my plate that I don't know how to even respond to people? I don't know how I can help them.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. Not for me. Zelena was saying not for sake of extra, but you're interested always. Correct. Yes. Me. That's fine, Zelena. If you feel right now, see, there are different situations. It could be that right now you feel lesser on social radar. Give yourself that time. Okay. If it is that I'm constantly busy for work, like, if there are too many priorities in life, and maybe you can't give so much to social life, take steal time. Okay. Whenever you're Facebooking, please appreciate people on Facebook. Whoever it is. If you feel someone is wearing a great sari, please write it. If you feel someone is singing a good song, please appreciate it. See, everybody's Facebooking. Any one of you who's not on social media here? Zaira is not on social media. Minaz is not on social media. Okay. Everybody else is there.
I am there.
Okay, you're there. Okay, great. So अभी सयारा का post आया जा रहा है. You're hearing, listening, reacting. Something is happening, right? Correct. So similarly, your own family and friends and colleagues, they also must be posting something. Someone is traveling somewhere. Someone is posting birthday about mother. Someone is posting something. Maybe use only that time to appreciate them. But start. Don't just watch and then mentally think, oh, this is happening. Oh, she's going there. Oh, that is happening. No, 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 no. Don't have to think so high. You don't have to comment in your head. Comment in reality. Okay, but comment nice things. Very important. Okay, it's how you think. It starts vibrating. It starts creating your future. Okay, anyway, these are all ways to start. Let me focus on starting. People connected to you. How many of you know your neighbors? Nobody knows their neighbors. Oh my god. Oh, I do. Very good. Minaz knows.
I know some of them.
You know some of them. Okay. Isa alayhi salam said, "Na always be good to thy neighbor." There is a quote from his teachings. Okay, Noor does. If I don't know my neighbor, how will I be good to my neighbor? सलाम का भी बहुत बड़ा ये है ना हमारे इसमें. We should always greet people. Greetings are always promoted. Is that right? So why don't we know our neighbors, guys? Okay, for people who don't know their neighbors. Shaibin, why don't you know your neighbor? I don't have neighbors, Aisha.
Few I know, but we are also focused on our safety, security. So
Ah,
we don't talk to them.
we don't interact so much. Okay. Nafisa, you know your neighbors? You're on mute, darling.
Yes, I know because they are my chachi ammis only. So
Okay. So they're
yeah.
family, so you know your neighbors.
हाँ.
Okay. Humera, you know your neighbors? Navi Mumbai? You do?
Yes, yes, Alhamdulillah.
I know your neighbors. बचपन में हमारे neighbors ज़्यादा पता थे ना हमको. Is it true? Do you think? In childhood we knew our neighbors, uncle, aunties घर पे ज़्यादा जाना आना होता था.
Yes.
But abhi utna nahi hota hai. Then the one thing next time I try initiating conversation but got no response. Okay. Shifted recently, no one family. It's way different. Fair enough. Good. Something. It's a good thing that you tried, and don't stop at one. One rotten apple is not the entire family of apples. Correct. You may have new neighbors. You may have people living little farther away, but keep open. Be safe and be open minded at the same time. It's very important. Don't close yourself to people because you start believing that one has been so rude to me or so different, so I will not be able to connect. Okay, cool. Moving on. So, neighbors, college friends, school friends. How many of you in touch with your school friends? I think more or less everybody's an adult here. How many of you are in touch with school friends? Shaibin is, Zahira is, a couple. Okay, let me give you the universe. Not really. Minal is saying not really. Okay. I think in your class at least 50 people must have been there. You're from what should introverts do? I'll tell you what introverts need to do. Uh, क्लास में 50 बच्चे तो होंगे ही ना. चलो 30 बच्चे तो हो जाएंगे 50 to 60 स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, एक सेक्शन तो नहीं होगा, 2-3 सेक्शन होंगे मिनिमम. तो 3 सेक्शन पकड़ू एवरेज में. हाँ ना नथिंग सब. ओके, तो 150 का यूनिवर्स था जिसके साथ आप लोग ने 14 साल बिताए. Almost nursery to class 12. And you are in touch with 2 people. And someone said, no, I'm not in touch also. 150 people, girls, boys, mixed, whatever. I don't know. But you had that kind of universe and you're in touch with one person. School change also, even better. See, if you change school, the numbers also will somewhat remain same. Some schools have sections till E. I also had section till C. Some calculating 3. Now, out of that 150, you don't even have 15 people, like 10% also with whom you're in touch with. And it's not touch with so gale milo, har din phone karo, not that touch. Even to know कि वो अभी इधर रहती है, उसके 2 बच्चे हो गए हैं, एक बच्चा एक बच्ची है, उसके नाम क्या है, वो भी नहीं पता हमको. Am I right? Guys, I'm trying to tell you places where you can put input. I can't change the world for you. I can change how you are dealing with what you have. Or I can tell you in what ways you can change. Because in that 150 colleagues or classmates that you had, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है ना. कोई लॉयर बन गया होगा, कोई जॉब में चला गया होगा, टीचर बन गई होगी, कोई अच्छी मम्मी बन रही है. Something they can teach you, something you can appreciate about them. Is it possible that all of them are not worthy of talking? Is it possible? No, right? But we didn't notice because we're too busy in our own lives. Facebook touch, yes. Again, Facebook is a very, very good medium for all these touches. Just one like, love, appreciation. Enough. More than enough. Because they're still present in your life. See, these are all basics of networking, guys. If you don't learn it here, प्रोफेशनली कनेक्ट में रहना तुमको बहुत ट्रांजैक्शनल हो जाएगा. हर चीज आप एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे मतलब के लिए. मतलब का मीनिंग चेंज कर लीजिए ना. आई गेट इन टच विद सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स टू नो रेसिपीज. आई लव कुकिंग. So South Indians say I will get in touch with them to know how to make sambar because I know they can make the best sambar. Someone in North India will come and teach me how to make kebabs or something of paneer. Friendships have become difficult to sustain due to political polarization. Of course, you don't have. I will come back to this answer, Zainab Pakka. uh, you don't. Who said you will be friends with everyone? You don't have to be friends with everyone. I'm not even asking you to be friends, by the way. Being in touch is not friendship. They're two different worlds altogether. I'm in touch with Humaira, but we are yet to be friends. Is that right, Humaira? Like of how she will define a friend, how she'll define me. I have built my own position in her life. Is that right? Please don't tell me I broke your heart by saying I'm not your friend. I'm just being honest here, right? But
Yes,
there's so much scope to our relationship, correct? But that doesn't mean what we've built so far is meaningless. Is that right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. Nafisa, for example, she's not a friend to me. She's like a younger sister. But we still have our own relationship defined. So don't stick to friendship only, Humaira. Yeah. And apni, acha, in Muslim Women Study Circle, I think how many people are there? More than 200, 250 in the circle, in that unit?
Yeah, around 300.
300. How many of them are your friends? None. Right? So it is not about polarization. It is about lack of effort. And this is not conscious lack of effort. This is genuinely unconscious. Nobody wants to be dushman with other people. Nobody wants to be disconnected. It's just that we don't think we have the time to connect with more people. You know?
Yeah, I think it's that. I think even though like connections here, but we don't invest the time in
Yes.
catching up or connecting.
Yes.
हम उसको बहुत unnecessary समझते हैं. हम सोचते हैं कि
Correct.
यार क्या जरूरत है किसी को disturb करने के लिए.
Correct.
All
Yes.
of that. Yeah.
Absolutely. And this is a pure assumption. I'll prove it to you. Salsabil? She's here or she's gone? She's there. Can you hear me? Huh.
Yes, yes.
If I randomly call you, will you feel disturbed?
Not at all.
Huh. This is
Not at all.
Salsabil also knows me from childhood, and I speak to her probably once a year again. And she is Nafisa's younger sister. And she herself says she will not feel disturbed. See, I will also not call her for 1 hour. Neither do I have the time, neither will I bother her for 1 hour. But if I just pick up the phone and call her or even text her, which I do occasionally for some work, I have always received responses. And I check on her also. You know, she posts something, she's newly married, so she'll post happy pictures with her husband. And then I find them so cute. So I make sure I'm communicating that to her. Like, because of see, in my head she's still a young child, you know. So seeing a young child become a grown-up woman who's now married now, and she's all excited about lovey-dovey. She's always been a very वो ट्वीटी डक टाइप लड़की नहीं होती है, एकदम बेबी टाइप. वो सलसाबिल always has been like that. Now I'm seeing her as a pure heroine, you know. Husband के साथ rainy season में drive पे जा रही है, तो she's putting up a story. So then I'm finding happiness in that, and I'm taking literally 2 seconds to type a message to her, and the message goes to her. Correct? This I have no abhi, at least right now I don't have a common purpose with her, barring Muslim Women Study Circle. So there's no transaction happening yet. Correct? But that didn't stop me from reaching out to her and telling her what I liked. At times polarization happens. My neighbors didn't want to eat sheer kurma interaction because of this. Maybe no, it's not an isolated case. I have invited people for iftar and they're not turned up. And you know what I thought about it? I thought ki they missed a very good meal because I made an excellent meal. So it was their loss, dude. But I am doing my bit and I'm doing very happily. मुझे तो बहुत खुशी होती है, बच जाता है, मैं खा लेती हूँ, मेरी मेट्स को देती हूँ, वो भी खुश हो जाते हैं. तो उसके उसके नसीब में नहीं था, इसलिए वो नहीं टर्न अप किया मेरे इफ्तारी में. You know, so they don't want sheer kurma, they miss good food. That's the only thought process you allow yourself, nothing more.
It was
Don't
your Nia that it was your Nia that counted. Networking with
Yes.
Nia.
Yes, absolutely. You don't have to also get into their negativity. अरे वो नहीं आया ना, तुमको क्या है उससे? तुम एंजॉय करो ना अपना शीर खुरमा, बहुत जाने देने को शीर खुरमा. ज़ैनब के साथ मेरा कोई पर्सनल वन ऑन वन सेशन प्लीज बुक करना. I have to explain to her how introverts work. But you don't fall into their thought process, their condescension, them looking down on something. They are surrounded in their head by passive ego. Please understand. That's why they're thinking, no, they want to create a barricade. Someone has proactively come and is being nice to you. They created a barricade. क्या करना उसको? थोड़ी ना दुनिया का ठेका लेके रखे. अपना करो ना, खाओ अच्छे से, enjoy and move on. And you will end up finding people from your circle. Who did this? Asma did it. Asma, call us. We will come. Happily, we will come, or send it to us.
Done.
Okay. Yeah, awesome. So you don't have to network with everyone, guys. I'm just saying you network with the people you have in your life. Learn how to filter them out. Okay. Some people will be really beneficial to you. Really. Like they will help you, go all out to help you. And I have experienced that kind of magic in my life. Okay. And some people will just be regular friendship, regular connect, बट कुछ ना कुछ बात होती रहेगी और कुछ से बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं होगी। तो जिससे बात नहीं हो रहा उस पे फोकस क्यों करना है, बाकी पे करो ना। बिल्ड तो करो, पता तो करो कि कितने से कनेक्ट होता है, सबसे थोड़ी पड़ता है। अरे पेरेंट्स के साथ ही डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं, सिबलिंग के साथ डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं। तो आप रिस्पेक्टफुली ग्रेसफुली एक्सेप्ट करो, वी ऑल डिफरेंट, वी आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी द सेम, but respect, value system should be matching. Find people with whom you connect on value system. Okay. Now for introverts. Okay, introverts, Aisha, you look, sound like from Japan. Okay, thank you so much. I'm assuming it is क्या बोलते हैं, and a compliment. Okay, someone has written to me, my case is opposite. I always take the initiative to connect and maintain relationship. People ignore a lot, pretend to be busy always. It is fine. Okay. When you are, thank you, Asma. When, see, you also need to have self respect. You connect with someone 2 to 3 times maximum. If they're not responding, no action is also an action. Please read their action. They're not responding, move on. सबसे ज्यादा आबादी है हमारे देश में, थोड़ी ना रुकना है। कीप मूविंग। ओके, whoever's written this to me, it's for you. Okay, let me address Zainab's question. Zainab, you introvert का मतलब बताओगे आप मेरे को? आज तो Zainab मुझसे आंसर निकाल के ही रहेगी। You're not an introvert, darling. Otherwise, you would not have posted it like 5-6 times already. What is introvert? What do you mean by introvert? Someone who will type but not call or speak. Why is Zainab not answering? She's texting here.
No, actually, I'm on mic.
Okay, okay. Tell me, what do introverts do? Well, what do you
Um,
mean by introverts?
I don't like to go in lot of gathering and all. I love to spend time with myself. Not very fond of exploring like people around me. And
Yeah, that's totally fine. That's who you are, how you are. So you
so
think that's a problem?
no, in that case, I don't feel like commenting on the like as you said the statuses and the post every
Sure.
time liking them. Uh, I just
So
scroll them. That's it. I don't.
yeah, that's okay. That's okay. I totally understand. That's not who you are. But do you have a clear purpose in your life? Do you know where you want to get to? Do you, how you want your life to shape up?
Yeah, right now I'm student.
Hmm? How?
But I do agree that networking is required because most of the time I someone for some kind of guidance or need some input from others. So
Yes.
that time I feel little bit awkward. Like if I have it before, now how I should connecting. Like, it seems like I'm a bit selfish,
Yeah.
like,
No, don't
kind
think
of.
about selfish. So see, it's your nature. I totally respect it. Everybody have different ways to, be. What you need to understand is that today your comfort zone is not commenting on people or not appreciating them. Correct. But if you want to grow, you have to accept discomfort. So start with baby steps. What is easier today, which is to like up someone's post, than suddenly get in touch with after years and don't know how to communicate.
Yes.
Are you getting it? So if today you learned how to build your relationship with discomfort, tomorrow when you have to do a bigger jump, get in someone who's senior, get in someone whose guidance you need, you will still know how those baby steps. You will not feel that huge weight on yourself to connect with that person.
Okay. One thing I didn't understand that you said even if we are liking someone's post or anything, that matters. But mm, uh, for me, it doesn't matters a lot. I post something, any status or something, I have
Yeah, see,
kept it as private.
perfect. I was giving a very generic idea about what matters. See, it's what would you prefer? Would you prefer calling up people every day to just say hi, hello to them, or would you think that something they've posted and liking is easier?
Liking is easier.
Yeah, this I'm telling you because when you appreciate someone, no, your perspective about things also start changing a bit.
Hmm.
I'll tell you why. See, today only Nafisa posted a video of her training her daughter to make biryani. Okay, I have not
Hmm.
made biryani in my life, and I'm
Hmm.
seeing this 3-year-old putting potatoes correctly on the biryani. I
Hmm.
loved it. Why will I? It's a different way to look at life. Something that I don't have a child at home, you know. But I'm seeing her life, and I'm getting to experience it through a video.
Hmm.
Okay, so why will I not appreciate what I'm liking? I have seen very random, useless videos also. I don't go appreciating them. I also have to feel genuine appreciation. No,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
if you're feeling something genuine, why will you not pass it on? Is something you can think about. You don't have to pass it on right now, but you think कि अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, अगर अम्मी ने आज घर में खाना अच्छा बनाया है और अम्मी को आपने बता दिया, तो अम्मी को खुशी महसूस होगी
Hmm.
होगी ना. बट
Yes.
हम अम्मी को
Yes.
कितना बार
Yes.
बोलते हैं कि अम्मी बहुत अच्छा बना है आज.
हाँ, ये साइड मैं एग्री करती हूँ.
तो
इन
अम्मी
द
इंसान है,
सेम.
फेसबुक जो यूज कर रहा है ना वो भी इंसान ही है. अप्रिसिएशन का फीलिंग सबको एक ही मिलेगा, and they will also get to know you in some way. They will see that you are able to see that perspective.
अच्छा, एक चीज ये बताइएगा, लाइक ये मैंने इसको नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट पढ़ा है कि लाइक आजकल लोगों को ऑब्सेशन हो रहा है लाइक्स का
हम्म.
एंड कमेंट का.
हम्म.
तो
हम्म.
लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसी फ्लो में
नहीं
हम
नहीं,
जा रहे
बिल्कुल.
हैं.
हाँ, बहुत जन जाते हैं. वेरी ट्रू. Another topic to deal with. People have this obsession to become social media famous.
हम्म.
Correct? But I'm talking about your intent here, not what will happen to them. आप तो अच्छे नियत से कर रहे हैं ना.
हम्म.
आप ये नियत से
ओके.
नहीं करें कि मुझे उसका लाइक बढ़ाना है.
जी जी जी.
आपका
गॉट
नियत
इट.
नहीं कि मुझे नफीसा की बेटी आलू डाल रही है, गोश्त डाल रही है, चावल डाल रही है, वो देख के मुझे बड़ा मजा आया, तो मैं तो जो जो फीलिंग हुई वही एक्सप्रेस किया. तो नियत तो आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं ना. नियत का आउटकम अल्लाह पाक कंट्रोल करते हैं. सो डोंट जस्ट लीव इट ऑन हिम. डोंट थिंक अबाउट how it is getting people obsessed. The ones who are obsessed, they will find ways to find fake likes also. Don't worry about that. Lot of algorithms are there.
जी
Correct,
जी.
but we are seeing
गॉट
on
इट.
your input, we are controlling that. We are seeing intentional output here. कि मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा, मैंने जेन्युइनली महसूस किया उसको. हो सकता है देख के कभी कभार लगे भी कि नहीं यार कुछ भी पोस्ट करी, कुछ तो शर्म कर ले, वो भी फीलिंग्स आती है. वो कमेंट मत डालिएगा. कुछ तो शर्म कर ले मत डाल दीजिएगा. बिकॉज द इंटेंट इज टू बिल्ड जेन्युइन कनेक्ट. जेन्युइन कनेक्ट
Yeah.
जिसके लिए फील होगा वो अंदर से आता है. यू विथ मी ऑन दिस है ना.
जी जी जी. थैंक यू
Okay,
सो मच.
most welcome. Okay, so again, this homework to you guys, these lists of people, you know go and actually check how many. You may know that even I have myself stopped from commenting. I don't want to encourage them anyway. No, Minas, if you feel something good about someone, please make sure you comment. Okay, it makes a person feels. See, everybody's battling many things. All of us on this screen, can anyone say that there's no problem in our lives? Any one of you can say this. If you appreciate someone, no, you will end up making that person feel good about something. You pass on strength to that person. Okay, and please make sure your appreciation is genuine. Please do not. Another huge problem, people just make a mountain out of a mole. अभी मैं अगर नफीसा को बोलती, oh my god नफीसा, इफा will now become master chef, you don't know, this is epic. Nafisa will also after a point think, what is she talking about? My bacha has just put one gosh and aloo and I'm training her right now. Maybe after, if I'm saying this after 4-5 recordings of hers, where Nafisa have seen genuine effort, consistency, and giving her the genuine response to it, then she will believe me, na. Otherwise, she will also end up feeling, "Apa to ऐसे ही बोलती है बड़ा चढ़ा के." तो आपा becomes बड़ा चढ़ा के वाली personality. You getting it? The genuine comment is very important. Everybody with me on this so far? Any questions so far, guys? Right? Okay,
I
good.
feel कि one important aspect of networking foundation, personal
Yes.
हो या professional, is to not be judgmental. But there is one sort of impediment is I feel I am being judged. Sometimes it's pretty obvious that we don't go around judging people when networking anywhere, but there are these barricades sometimes which
Agreed.
is kind of surprising, even for
Yes.
professionals.
Let me try and solve this for you because I have battled for years while solving it in my head. Okay. And it is very easy here because we all come from the same community. What does Islam say about judgments?
Only Allah knows what's in the heart.
That's it.
Uh,
Only
and
Allah can judge. Only Allah can judge, right? End of story. Neither do you have any haysiyat to judge, nor if anybody else is judging you has any validation point. These are both internal battles. First, you have to learn how to control yourself from judging others. Tough place to work on, but you can manage. Keep working on it. Second is, if someone is judging you, your relationship with Allah Pak should be so strong that it should not bother a human's value, a human's opinion. Another place to work on. Are you aligned on this, or is it something heavy I told?
Well, it makes sense. Yeah.
If you do this, you will be able to liberate yourself. And which is why Allah Pak talks about surrender all the time. If you're surrendering to what people are saying but not admitting to it, like you don't have to agree to see that nobody knows everybody's truth here. Who's in what situation, only that person knows. Are you with me on this? So just don't overthink. No, let it be. Are you with me, everyone? Excellent. Now, people connected to your purpose. Now, these are people whom you don't know personally, right? There could be great authors, they could be very senior individuals in your field, etc. LinkedIn could be a way, going to community events could be a way, but all of them you need to follow their work. Okay, I'll give you a very small example. This is 10 years back. There was a journalist who had written a, an article on women's safety in Kolkata during puja time. Because at night in puja time, everybody comes out. So, how are women safe? And he cited few examples of what you call that the women are not safe and eve teasing is happening. This is 10-12 years back I'm talking about. Okay, I really liked his article because he was pinpointing to Kolkata police that there are more measures that you need to take. Okay, within a week's time another article came from the same journalist where he said about all the steps that Kolkata police has taken and now the city is safer. Okay, it was a good circle loop. I was very inspired. I saw the person's name, the journalist's name. I looked him up. That time LinkedIn was not very prevalent. I found him on Facebook. I sent him a message on Facebook, really appreciating his work. That thanks to you, today women in Calcutta can think more of getting out more safely. Okay, that gentleman and me, we are still connected. He has helped me get in touch with the transgender community. He has helped me understand how journalism works. So I just reached out to him, appreciating of his work because I genuinely felt it. Okay, I'm just giving you this example because you can do it too. See, my father does this. See, we all are humans, right? We all are the same in front of Allah Pak's eyes. You just need to reach out to someone, and if the person has to hear, he or she will hear. But you pass it on. The bottom line is, please focus on your input. How you're inputting your approaches to people. Okay. If you can start controlling that, your output will be as per your input. Moving on, approach. How your approaches should be. Research on people, work, achievements, values before reaching out. It could be for a भैया also that you knew. बचपन में बहुत क्लोज थे, अभी उतने नहीं है, वो भी अपने लाइफ में बिजी हो गए, आप भी अपने लाइफ में बिजी हो गए, कोई बात नहीं. वो लाइफ में बिजी हुए मतलब कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं ना, पता करो ना क्या कर रहे हैं. किसी कंपनी के कोई सीनियर मैनेजर हो गए हैं, 2 बच्चे के पापा हो गए, तो बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं वो पता कर लो. यू नो, मतलब आप सिर्फ ढूंढो एक रीजन, उसको अप्रिशिएट करके you will find see if a person is responsive, you will know value system match karta hai, you will be able to continue that relationship. If not, also you will learn how to appreciate people. So either ways it's win-win for you. Okay. Identify common ground in interest, goals or causes. Guys, यहाँ पर ना interest, goals and causes में हर किसी के साथ आपका identification नहीं होगा. That way Humaira and I are connected because we feel we find a connect in a common cause. Correct. So new people will start arriving in your life sooner or later. So you need to keep moving, but build your connect. Engage authentically. I don't know how much I've emphasized on engaging authentically. Personalize your first outreach. Mention what you admire and why it is relevant to you. The journalist article was relevant to me because I was a girl myself, so I could relate safety of women. Hence I appreciated him and his work. Correct. So I'm pretty sure something you could appreciate, some good someone is doing somewhere, you can find and you can appreciate. Start there. That process also is time consuming, guys, when you have to come out of your comfort zone and build connect with someone. Okay, but once you start doing it, you someone asked me, कि how do I talk after इतने दिन बाद मिले बात किए, how do I take the conversation further? I think Minaz asked me this, right? When you find a way to appreciate, you will find a lot of content in that same topic. कुछ तो relevant था ना, इसलिए आपको दिख गया, तो आप उस टॉपिक में उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. आप कोई कॉमन ऑथर के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. इतना टॉपिक्स है, स्पोर्ट्स है, फिल्म्स है. My favorite topic is Islam. I really love listening to what people follow, believe, how Islam really strengthens them. You can talk in so many topics. And I'm a theology student, so I have literally read all the other religious texts as well. So I can communicate to people and find spiritual commonality with them. So conversations can be a lot, but you have to find what you want to talk in. And sometimes it becomes very organic also. So all things you can't control. Some places you have to be. You have to relax. You have to not be nervous. I can't talk. Awkward silence. उतने से डरना नहीं है. It's okay. Let the silence be for some time. And then कुछ ना कुछ topic निकाल सकते हो. Okay, if you want me to give you a list of topic conversation starters, I can make a PDF and give you that also. Very easy. Okay, but you have to start. Okay, personalize your first. Okay, offer value. Now, how many of you will actually invest in yourselves? How many of you will do reading? I'll share that, Minaz. Then I'll make one conversation starter and share it. How many of you will do reading? How many of you will follow the news? How many of you will watch relevant? Many of people watch cringe. There's something called cringe therapy. You watch absolute nonsense on Netflix and then laugh because it's so stupid. You can talk about that also. It's just laughter. You don't have to be serious. You just have to connect. Okay, and if you do ha ha he hey, come out. Okay, now these relationships when you build, these are very, I'm talking more of personal networking right now. You can't do ha ha he with someone who's a very senior official. You can't talk about cringe therapy overnight. उसके साथ थोड़ा build करना पड़ेगा. But you can talk about purpose with someone who's senior to you. Okay, Reaching out later to these people for help becomes easier. Okay, you can always request them. Ki, I'm in, and always start with honesty. It has happened in my job searches. I have reached out to people with whom probably I had connected last year, 2 years back, never connect with them, but they knew me as a decent human being. So when I first called them, I apologize that 2 years I have not been in touch with you, and today I have a reason to get in touch with you because it's personally important to me. So I'm sorry for those 2 years. And that मैंने एक बारी पूछा नहीं आपसे कुछ भी, और आज आपको मदद का जरूरत पड़ गया तो मैंने कॉल कर लिया. How difficult is it? So that person also understands कि ठीक है, सब अपने अपने लाइफ में बिजी है. And those people have helped me find a job also. Like, I've gotten through that job. They have referred me in the job. They have spoken good about me. Refer karna is one thing where you just put it on the portal and send the CV on. Talk, picking up the phone and telling the HR no, she's a good resource is an extra measure that person takes. Correct. Why was he able to take that? Because I was genuine with my feelings. I was sorry, and I said today I need you. So I really, if it is possible for you to help me, I would really appreciate it. Okay, and they have. Okay, so this is probably the output of the other relationships input that I had given. Because output कौन दिया मेरे को? I mean, I look at outputs as Allah Pak's gifts. So no, never drown in guilt. Guilt is negative energy. That's not what Allah Pak made are for. Right. So just stay positive and stay focused. Okay. Okay. Moving on. Maintenance is very important. If you're in touch with someone, please be attentive about them. Okay. Then they can be attentive about you. Space out communication. Don't call them every day. Hi Appa, how are you? Hi Appa, how are you? Hi Appa, how are you? No. You can't do that. Okay. Space it out. Don't do it regularly. Do it in terms of, if you like a story, people post WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, Facebook stories. If you like something, ping there. आप देखना, आप try करो आज से 3 महीने बाद मुझसे मिलो. If your number of relationships have not increased, you please come and tell me. Just start these small steps. Okay. Celebrate their wins, offer value, no guilt over reply caps. When I ping Nafisa, I don't tell her ki, oh, I'm so sorry, Nafisa, I haven't spoken to you for years, months. The first thing I do, how you doing, darling? How you fine? How's health? Has things changed? Have things improved? Because where she left me last, we start from there. And we should not even put others in guilt. अरे तुम तो फोन करती ही नहीं हो, तुम तो आके फोन ही नहीं करती हो मेरे को, तुम बॉम्बे आई तुम फोन नहीं की, तुम कलकत्ता आई तुम फोन नहीं की. एवरीबडी गोज इन दैट राउंड. कोई बात नहीं, आपने भी नहीं किया, नहीं, ये रिप्लाई नहीं करना है, सॉरी नहीं किया, बहुत बिजी थी, बट आई स्टिल थिंक अबाउट यू. ये करना है. टेनिस नहीं खेल रहे एक दूसरे के साथ गिल्ट पे. ओके, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू रियलाइज दैट उधर से अगर कोई कंप्लेन कर रहा है, शायद ही और शी मिस्ड यू, सो यू वैल्यूड. Look at it like that. Don't look at it कि सब टाइम कंप्लेन करता रहता है. Don't have to drown in their negativity. Bring that person to your positivity. Sorry, कोई बात नहीं, अभी करूंगी, बताइए. ठीक है. I had this so I have been single for a long time, so I had this phase where always any wedding, लड़का ही नहीं मिला, बिरयानी कब खिला रही हो? Okay, this is a common topic I used to get. When are you feeding me biryani? Okay. My question always was to them कि अभी चलिए ना, अभी खिलाती हूँ. Why do you want to wait for my wedding? Okay. Then chachis were like, no, when are you gonna get married? So I'm like, you're my chachi, you only do search for me, no? So you then tell them their value in your lives also. Correct? It can't be one way. You have to, if you're the person.
I wish your lecture was before 2 years, 3 years, because anyone call me, like the relative, you don't call us. And I really get angry, and I really, maybe I drown in the negativity, and then I reply in that way. And when I'm
Yeah.
looking, it's like, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. This is also a nice way to deal with it.
एब्सोल्युटली, तुमको क्यों ड्राउन करना है उनके नेगेटिविटी में? उनको खींचो, वो बेचारे तैर रहे हैं वहां पर, तुम खींचो उनको बाहर। अरे आप चाची नहीं मिल रहा है, अगर लड़का नहीं मिला तो ढूंढो ना मेरे साथ, लेट अस मेक इट अ कॉमन मिशन इन लाइफ, लेट्स फाइंड आयशा's group. Why can't you connect with that person? Why do you have to look at it as an opposing force? Because when you look at opposing force, you empower that negativity.
Absolutely.
You don't need to do that.
You're very
Bring
positive. I'm not that positive.
it is something that has helped me deal with life, alhamdulillah. And I started reading Quran Sharif in English. The power of gratitude is mentioned so many times that you start finding it in every way. Like you have to exercise it. It's not only for theoretical knowledge, it is there for
Yeah.
application, correct? So it is multiple time. It is speaking about mercy, it is speaking about forgiveness, it is speaking about steadfast, it is speaking about gratitude. So why are we not applying? They have forgotten, no problem. I will tell you how it is practiced. But practice it, no. थोड़ी ना उतना एम्पावर करना है, वो बेचारी अपने लाइफ से थक गई है इसलिए एनर्जी नहीं निकल रहा है पॉजिटिव, आप डाल के चले आओ। एंड एकदम लाइटली डालना है, कोई लोड नहीं लेना है, डाल के मूव ऑन। कीप योर माइंड सो बिजी विथ रियल वर्क दैट दीज थिंग्स डोंट मैटर। You know, there's so many issues in the planet that we need to solve, and one chachi is complaining about not having biryani, I will solve it for her. Chill. You getting it? Very crucial. So don't drown. You become a very strong girl, which I'm sure you are. Just show the strength to them, and they will realize, oh, they can be the strong too. Okay. Yep. Keep it human, guys. Always remember how you will make others feel. They will not remember what you said. Okay. So it is very, very crucial that you are compassionate, uh, and you are steadfast in your anchor of being positive, being firm, being righteous. If you practice these characteristic traits, your own shield starts building, you know, and then you end up attracting people of the same tribe. So I knew about Muslim Women Studies Circle many, many years back. The found, like Sanya Mariam, she's someone I know from childhood, but actively I've been present more of 2 3 years. So my tribe is growing, no, because I'm working on myself. Right today, I feel so honored. I get to talk to you all so openly. I mean, I get to connect with you all directly. First, I was a student myself, student attendee, jo bhi aap bula lo. And today I'm a led by corporate fellow because I came across that post in Muslim Women Study Circle. You know, so I was attentive. Someone is trying to help me. Correct. So I was listening. So this is all networking. Aligned on this? Great. So I've kept it very short this time because ये सब इतना basics है ना, हम ये basics ही अगर rectify कर देना, a lot of things will start changing in how we practice things in life. Okay, but I want to really show what has been my life hack. You know, some of the surahs that I read it alhamdulillah regularly. So if you read it regularly, there's a regular impact on you. Okay, but just to tell you networking ka sources of thoughts, so that you know when you're doing something, you're not doing it in dunya, it is deen driven. Okay, why it should be done, it will empower you more, it will make you question yourself lesser when something is being done. Okay, first is, O mankind, fear your Lord who created you from one soul and created from it its mate and dispersed from both of them many women and men and women. Okay, this is Surah An-Nisa, Surah Nisa 4 number 1. What does it say? It means that we are from the same source, correct? So इतना जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आ गया हमारे अंदर, आप आपको हर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फॉलो नहीं करना है ना, आप कोशिश कीजिए कि डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कैसे तोड़े, बिकॉज सोर्स तो सेम ही था। अब कुछ इबलीस के पार्टी तड़ गए तो आप ये वाला वेट बढ़ाइए ना। So be positive and constantly think, okay, if someone is sending you something hurtful, no, don't revert it. Block it. Okay, don't reflect the same thing. समझ जाओ कि वो इंसान अभी ठिश ठिश गॉन, तो आप मूव ऑन करो, कहीं और से नेटवर्किंग करो. बट डोंट थिंक फ्रॉम योर हेड ट्रांजैक्शंस. इससे बात करूंगा तो ये मिलेगा, उससे बात करूंगी तो वो मिलेगा. वो मत सोचिए. डोंट अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू थिंक दैट. Okay, the right kind of people will start appearing who would want to help you, because you are always in a constant mode of helping others. Okay. O mankind, indeed, we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. People from different states, same state, there are so many different tribes. So see what is good about them. Yes, absolutely, Humera. So see in what ways humans are different and appreciate that difference. I'm not talking about sin and aggression. I'm not talking about that. In terms of, a Telugu food will be very different from a Punjabi food. But can we relish both of them? We can, right? We just need to be open minded. A Turkish delight would be very different from something that is served in Australia. Correct? So there's no problem in appreciation, right? Allah Pak has only created so many regions. So what's the problem? But can you network with people? Yes, you can. Food is such a big topic. The war of aloo in biryani. I mean, it is a topic in itself. Start it. I have always fought with Hyderabadis on this. My biryani is better than yours. Okay, so start it. It is fun. It is nothing. It's not a world war, right? It is not a political war. It is just loving war. कि नहीं हमारा खाना अच्छा आपका खाना अच्छा दोनों लेके आओ खाना खाते हैं. हो गई दोस्ती. Are you with me? Like, I genuinely love food, so I enjoy foods from all states. And I'm working on cooking all kinds of food. Kerala ka chicken chettinad is great, and then Tamil sambar is different, Bangalorean sambar is different, biryani of all states are different, I feel. So you just enjoy, but keep that common topic live. Okay. Indeed, the believers are brothers, so make settlement between your brothers. What does this mean? When are you inviting us? Let's do one. Anybody coming to Bombay, please feel free to come over and get Humera along with you. She lives on the other side of Bombay and we've not been able to meet yet. So if you're coming, please come. Okay. So make a settlement between your brothers is trying to tell you about making peace. If somebody is trying to build war, कब खिला रही हो बिरयानी, कब मिलेगा ग्रूम, कोई बात नहीं, साथ में खाते हैं, चलिए साथ में ढूंढते हैं. Make it peaceful, make it settling. Don't aggravate the fire. Are you with me on this? This will help you connect with people more. Okay. And finally, speak to people good. Very, very, very crucial. So these Quranic codes have really helped me in how I look at life and how I practice life. I don't take things for granted. I keep it very light as much as I can. I have my inner battles, try to fight them, but I try and connect with people. I love people. Allah Pak created us for a reason. So, and if he loved us, why can't we? Right? So, I mean, he loves us. Sorry, not D. He loves us, right? As much as we are sinning, he still loves us. He's always about, mercy. So, why are we not merciful towards each other? Okay, so keep this intent and talk to people, greet people, connect with people, send them appreciation. And whenever you need help, go with a good intent. If you know that, talking to that person, I have spoken to that person long, long ago, I don't know how to approach, start with that only. Communicate that. I'm sorry I'm getting in touch with you after so many years. I know I have not been in touch, but today I could think only of you when I needed this help. Correct? If he's a good human being, which in most cases he would be, he will help you out. Are you with me? So,
Jazakallah khair for such a brilliant, yet another brilliant presentation and discussion. और वाकई मतलब जो नियत के साथ like you create things with intention, but this also, despite being not well, you have put in so much of effort. May Allah accept it from you.
Jazakallah.
Uh, I could not introduce you. I just dropped off in the
कोई बात
beginning.
नहीं. It
So,
probably I was not meant to be introduced, so it
oh,
happened all well. So no problem. I needed people to just understand my heart and how why I love people, and I feel all of you all are so driven. Everybody, thank you so much, Minaz. Everybody was so interactive. I loved that. And guys, just don't be guilty, upset about people. Okay, humans are weak. ये कुरानिक quote है. Okay, accept weakness. Only Allah Pak is perfect. None of us are. So accept it and forgive and move on. Don't stick to negative. It stays at attachments and it hampers us only. Okay. So just keep moving, keep forgiving. Forgiveness is releasing yourself of all that and keep connecting. Okay. And so sooner or later, I will probably take a professional networking also sooner or later, but I need some questions before that because professional networking is very specific. A student has different questions, a working professional will have a very different question. So I will definitely probably we can have some research who's going to attend, so we can have separate sessions accordingly. But yeah, guys, start this practice. Know your neighbor, know your relatives, connect with your old friends, appreciate people on social media, and keep it in your heart that Allah Pak wants us to be a good human being. That's why He kicked out Iblis, because He was not ready to bow to us, correct? So why are we failing Allah Pak? We shouldn't. We should just keep being what He knows we have it in us, and then things will start falling in place. Yeah, seriously. Yes, Omena, please. Everything is done from my side. If anyone has any questions, please feel free.
I was just wondering, मतलब इतना जो corporatized topic है of networking, because I like initially I did not now, but ऐसे it's not one of my favorite terms, networking, because it's very mechanical and but to take up a topic like that and then bringing in genuine connections, because connection is something that's really vital to our being, मतलब as people we require. और जब आप बोल भी रहे थे, आपने explain किया और सारे you touched upon the further various aspects of it. I was thinking यही तो problem है. Loneliness is becoming an epidemic like now. It's on a rise and everywhere it's on a rise.
Yes.
So this is such an antidote to that. So without even talking about it, Alhamdulillah, you've covered.
Yeah, because I'm telling you, all these depression, anxiety, it happens because we are not in connect with people enough. I'm not, by the way, don't think that I'm promoting being connected to people randomly. I'm not doing that. Okay, you have to be very careful with deeper connections आप किससे बनाते हो. Okay, so value system clear रखना बहुत बहुत important है. So value system तभी clear होगा जब आपके पास definition clear है. वरना आप तो सबसे दोस्ती कर लोगे और सब अच्छे हैं दुनिया में. ऐसा नहीं है, सब अच्छे नहीं है. सो आप डिफरेंशिएट भी करना सीखिए, लेकिन खुद के अंदर इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. फॉर मी, द गाइडिंग लाइट हैज बीन कुरान शरीफ, so I'm able to segregate. Okay, so maybe that is also one practice you can start. But understand the Quran Sharif. Don't read it only in Arabic and not understand it. Recitation is definitely, it has its own magic and power. But when you read to understand it, your own self construct becomes so strong that you start attracting people like that. And who are not like that, you will not look down upon them. You just know they're going through their own battles in life. You at least can offer something more to that person, right? So this has helped me in networking, always has helped me. I absolutely love it. I've had people at 12 a.m call me for medical help, someone I've not spoken to in my life. Because I was a senior in school, they knew me, they got in touch with me, Facebook पे message कर रहे, जो भी करे COVID के time. But they were like, we thought only you could help us in this medical emergency. Now I am looking it as a gift from Allah Pak, कि he is giving me this opportunity to be an instrument like that. you know so why will I not look at it like, if the world is being driven by him, why should I even give that power to humans? So it helps me. I mean, I'm just sharing what helps me. And maybe if you
This
can write.
reminds me of that hadith, so something that my father keeps repeating कि मोमिन जो है सरापा खैर है, यानी from head to toe we are
Yeah,
goodness
yeah,
for people.
absolutely. Yeah,
So people should expect only good from us. Like कि
correct.
हमारे पास उनको खैर ही मिलेगा.
खैर ही मिलेगा. अब कोई खैर नहीं दे रहा तो आप समझ जाओ उसके. A person can only give you what they have. Okay, so if they're giving you poison, बेचारा वो उसमें deal कर रहा है खुद को. So instead of feeling angry with that person, just understand that person needs prayers more than anything. Just pass prayers and move on. You know you can't stay in poison. You have to move on, right? But at least pass your good and move on. Are you with me on this? I like Nafisa is totally submerged in this thing. Nice, nice. Okay, most welcome, Samaran. Please remember me in your prayers, and I hope the session has helped. But it will not help if you girls don't practice it. Then it becomes a very feel good session, and it's temporary. That's not my intent here. My intent is that you guys actually understand practicing this can evolve you as a person, can evolve your net worth. Okay, tomorrow if you girls become leaders as mothers, as sisters, as any working professional,